Hey, it's Steve. Welcome back to Clear Direct. Moving day. Let's go. Stay tuned to the end for a build update as well as a tour of my brand new, nearly complete Clear Direct hangar. Let's double check this. Ani, can you grab a couple 2x4s and then we'll just put one here and one there so that So we want grown ass men on there. So right in front of the strut and right behind the strut. Anybody can call stop. If everybody says stop, we stop where we are, we support it, then we figure out what's going on, and let's get out forward. You guys ready? Yes, thank you.
You were wrapped up in a bear skin, curly hair dripping down your neck. Let me down when the river started falling. I was let into your village, naked ass now they're coming up to try to toast me.
All right, so we got the tail wheel strapped off. We got this drilled into the floor. Got chocks drilled into the floor, blankets, and roped off. It's not going anywhere. We're on our way to the airport. Never again will this airplane be at my house. Weird to think about. That wasn't too bad. We're in a 26-foot truck, plenty of room. We're gonna do 2 loads. I didn't want the wings and the fuselage together. Just too much valuable stuff eggs in one basket kind of thing.
Track it this side a little.
So you can track it a little. Yeah, you can set it down. You're safe to set it down. Good. Okay.
All right.
Perfect.
Whoa. I can set it down.
Track the screen. Yep, straight back. Okay, straight back, Judy. Eagle has landed. Yeah. There it goes. All right, come here. Bring it in. Thank you so much. Awesome.
Come this way.
It looks so small in this ginormous hangar.
Ask, you're all moved in, how do you feel?
Oh, this is great. It's intimidating because I can't just work on it any moment of any day, but I'll be more productive. I think it'll help me focus.
Yeah, because when you come here, you're committed to working on it here.
That's right. Oh, yeah. Hit it, bro. Welcome back. Oh, hi, Kobe. You didn't think I'd make just a moving video, did you? So we're gonna give you an update on the airplane. We're gonna show you around the hangar, Then we're gonna walk across the alleyway and show you my new hangar. You would be up to date if you followed me on Instagram, but you don't, do you? Instagram, I'm at Clear Direct Resources, separated by underscores on all of them. So we are cleaning up the flight controls that have been rat holed underneath beds throughout the house and have collected dust. So we're cleaning those off. Kids are cleaning off some tape residue and cleaning off the cowlings, which I'm very appreciative. Elena is entertaining the doggy. He loves it here. We're getting things kind of organized. Not quite there yet, but I appreciate the help. Remember this episode? What was that, 0? The rudder build episode? Anyway, firewall. Okay, so progress here. We got the oil cooler mount bracket mounted, and that also shares with the LSE Plasma 3, which is installed, as you can see. We'll show you on the cold side of the firewall here in a second. We've got the heater valve installed. We've got the brake reservoir installed. Brakes are done, which is fantastic. I don't have them, filled up with brake fluid. That's coming soon. We've got the gascolator, and it's all hooked up to the gas header gas tank. So that's nice to be done. So let's show you the plasma ignition system up front. I was a little bit worried about how they would integrate with the backup battery, but no problem whatsoever. Went in just fine, other than a couple dull drill bits just from drilling through stainless steel wears them out. Okay, here's the parking brake valve. So that's installed if you haven't seen that yet. It works. So let's see. You got the boot cowl refit up just mainly for transportation. And when I was fitting it up, I noticed that it didn't fit quite right with the instrument panel. And that's because I fashioned some brackets without everything in place, which kind of made everything a little bit wonky. I just detached those bolts, got it to fit right. Now I just need to build some bushings for those bolts. And the other thing I've been working on primarily up until the move was the fuel tanks. I'll do a full episode with fuel tanks, but sneak peek, there's one all installed. Here's the other one with an actual vent. That went pretty well. Happy. Those are all riveted in, ready to go. So the wings are 100% ready to go. Obviously these are all fit up, ready to screw back on. And yeah, well, okay, I just thought of something. The fairing for the wing strut, the upper wing strut fairing, is not complete yet. I've rough trimmed that, and in short order I'm going to do the wing strut as well as the belly fairing. So there's some fairings for aerodynamics right here that we're going to fit up here real soon. Oh my gosh, look at this. We have a tail. That is not final installed, just kind of placed right there just for shits and grins. And there you go. Oh, the engine's over here. Cool. All right, so that gives you kind of a taste on what I'm working with here. It's just a quick test fit up, see how it looks. Once again, a big thank you to all my friends and family who helped me yesterday and who are helping me today. All right, with that, you guys want to take a break, walk over to the hangar? Yeah. All right, let's go check it out. Okay, it's this one. We got to enter. There's no door quite yet in it, so we're walking through our neighbor's door because the wall's not up. This is going to be a firewall, so it's going to be nice drywall. Flat, straight wall. So put up big old American flag, maybe logo, projector, screen, maybe a rock climbing wall. Bonanza and the Rands should fit in theory. Let's hope so. And there's a couple of lights or windows over here. Either that's going to go next door to Pedro's, my buddy's hangar is next door, or I'm kind of hoping they put some windows east facing for some morning light. So this will get great afternoon light. Gonna have heat and a fan. So there you have it. This is gonna be the Clear Direct hangar. We should be moving in, well, 2 years ago, theoretically, but a little bit late. But they're telling me May right now, so I'm assuming July. But we shall see, but it's moving quick. That was the move. Thanks for joining me. We'll get you some more build videos coming soon. Lift strut, wings attached, Flight controls getting put on, finalizing the engine components before we hang the engine, but that's all coming very, very quickly. So thanks again for watching. Until next time, you're clear direct.